Load Test Continuum is a web application that allows users to organize data from multiple Parasoft load test runs and access it through a browser interface. It enables teams to track the performance of their services or applications throughout the SDLC, helping them identify and resolve issues before they become critical. Load Test Continuum displays the quality of service results for a project and allows users to quickly determine if one or more performance criteria metrics have failed. If concerns arise, users can easily access the HTML report directly within Continuum. For deeper analysis, they can download the Load Test RPT report, which can be opened in the Load Test desktop application to drill down into the exact API operations that need further examination. With Load Test Continuum, teams can make data-driven decisions about performance early in the development cycle, ensuring stable, scalable, and reliable applications before they reach production.